the sky's the limit with these brilliant affiliate marketing hints. If you're wondering about a way to make some extra money online, you probably already know about affiliate marketing. Although, starting a new site and maintaining it with videos and advertisements might be daunting for the first time. This video provides several easy and effective tips that can help you succeed. The best way to make an affiliate marketing website at the most affordable price is to build it yourself. If you don't already know it, you want to learn some basic HTML. Even if someone else designs the site for you, you want to learn basic HTML so you can add hyperlinks at your leisure. At the least, you should annually perform focus groups with customers and site visitors. Focus groups give you a chance to see your audience and their physical reactions to your products or services. You may find that focus group members also have terrific new ideas that you would have never thought of on your own. Along with all the other options to account for with an affiliate marketing program, look at how ad placement affects your revenue. Certain ad positions on your site, and even on individual pages, will garner more visitor interest than others. If you track the results you get from individual positions, you can fit the most profitable ads to the most visible placements, boosting your revenue. Make sure you know your audience when you build your affiliate program. Find out what their needs are and what age group they belong to. Build your site to provide a solution to your visitors. The main theme of your site should match the products of your retailer. Don't place unrelated links on your site just because they pay well. Set up an affiliate marketing system so that you can have affiliates promoting your videos for you. This is good for everyone because it helps promote your product or service and it helps the affiliates earn money. By delegating the job of watching your videos, you widen your circle of readers and followers. A lot of video marketers will sign up for multiple directories and different sites. This means you might be using a lot of different usernames and email addresses. Make sure you keep track of these by stuffing a list inside of a Word document or in your notepad. Needing to access a site but forgetting your details can result in a lost campaign. Hopefully, these tips will give you a better idea on how to write videos, place and update ads, and maintain a reader base that is the key for success. Don't expect to become rich overnight. Affiliate programs take practice and a lot of effort, but can be a great alternative source of money. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.